Hello everyone, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. I'm just going to have a look at a Eurohike family feast cook set that I bought, I don't know, a year or so ago. And I've never had it out of the box. It's rather remiss of me really, so being as I started doing these videos I thought, let's get it out of the box, have a look at it. So let's see what's in the box. It's made of aluminium. It's an aluminium cook set for gas stoves. Stacking design so that it actually goes together quite well. So inside the box is a mesh bag, really, that contains everything that's in it. So we'll undo that. Take this off and see what's inside it. I see my friends, the blackbirds, as they're giving their evening chorus again, which should probably sound quite. There you go, the great outdoors. Sound quite nice, but I think they should sit here as an audience, laughing at me. So, undo the strap, and let's have a look what's inside. So if you take off the actual belt, the cardboard, you take away the strap. I assume that this bit here is like your frying pan, aluminium skillet. Inside the rest of the box we have the teapot lid, and the teapot. Bag off. Nice little size teapot. I look forward to having a nice drink of coffee out of that one day. Here is the little handle that hangs onto the side of the pot. So I assume that grab hold of the frying pan and you can lift that up. The bags are blowing everywhere now. Create some hazardous rubbish. So teapot, frying pan, kettle. Inside here then here are 1, 2, 3 different size pots. So you can do yourself quite a decent meal off of that. I mean, generally speaking, when I'm cooking on an open fire or camping, I like to do a lot of one pot cooking. Stews, curries, chilies, that sort of thing, soups. But of course, sometimes you might want rice or pasta with it, so it's great to have more than one pot, and the handle fits any of them. So it's not bad. It's quite light. It's a good. You know, you could pack this up and put it in the back of your backpack and take that with you on it quite easily. Carry that. I'll find you the specs in a second. Just cut this out after it. Okay, so the actual contents of the box, the larger pot is 3 litre pot. Then there's a 2 litre pot and a 1.5 litre pot, hence they all fit inside each other. The kettle's a 1 litre kettle. That's enough. What's 1 litre? 1.98 pints. That's plenty if it was full. For a few cups of coffee or tea. And the griddle, it also acts as a pan lid. It's a 22 centimetres, and the universal grip handle. So I think what you intend to do there is, when you've got the pot on your cooking stove or whatever, yeah, you can use that as a pan lid. So quite versatile. I've got a couple of these different types of sets that I've bought, and one I do use, which you'll see at a later date, but I tend to cook nowadays in Dutch ovens, cast iron, and frying pans, which are cast iron as well. Weight is not the issue because I don't go around wild camping, so if I was, these things would be great because they're aluminium, nice and light. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks very much.